The Kellerton community is just a beautiful community. It offers such tranquil mountain views. We're nestled at the base of the Keystone Mountains. The Kellerton Townhomes are a unique product in Frederick, Maryland. There's 71 townhomes total, and within the community, you'll be walking distance to our exciting future pool clubhouse with a gym. We're also going to have across the street a dog park, tennis courts, basketball courts, playgrounds, and future playing fields. Here in the Kellerton Townhomes, we offer the Hayward model. This is a really exciting, unique floor plan. It offers 3 very beautiful elevations. We've got the farmhouse, the heritage, and the traditional. As you enter the main floor, you'll see a beautiful, spacious family room. You can see that it is open concept straight through to the dining room. We're showcasing our really popular classic kitchen, a farmhouse sink, and the engineered plank. The owner's suite is really exciting. Natural light flooding through the quaint picture windows. We're showcasing a luxury bath, so you have an oversized Roman shower, a double sink vanity with a quartz countertop. If you're looking for an exciting townhome that you can completely customize and make your own in a beautiful, family-friendly community that offers great amenities, please come visit Keystone Custom Homes at the Kellerton Townhomes.